Welcome to my channel. Fix your Nighthawk RS700S slow internet speed. Now, step 1. Restart the router. Unplug your router and modem for 30 seconds, then restart them to clear temporary issues. Step 2. Check router placement. Place the router in a central open location, away from walls and electronics. Step 3. Update firmware. Log in using the Nighthawk app and install any available firmware updates. Step 4. Use 5 GHz or 6 GHz band. Connect to the faster Wi-Fi band for better speed and stability. Step 6. Limit connected devices. Disconnect unused devices or enable quality of service to prioritize important devices. Step 7. Run a speed test. Test your internet speed to see if the issue is from Wi-Fi or your ISP. Step 8. Change Wi-Fi channel. Switch to a less crowded Wi-Fi channel in router settings. These steps reduce interference, fix glitches, and optimize settings to give you faster and more stable internet. Step 9. Move closer to router. Stay within a good range of the router for a stronger signal. Step 10. Factory reset router. If nothing works, reset the router and set it up again. Thanks for watching.